save time, and simplify your medical documentation, downloading OrbVoice is quick and easy, with OrbVoice reduce up to 81% less screen time. 42.8% accuracy improvement through AI-assisted features. Compatible with 95% of EHR systems. Let us show you how to do it on your iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Type OrbVoice in the search bar and tap Search. Press Get and confirm the download with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple password. Once installed, open the app by tapping the OrbVoice icon. If you don't have an account yet, sign up with your email to get started. Complete your registration in seconds and get ready to optimize your day. Step 1. Just open OrbVoice and talk with your patient naturally. Step 2. Watch the magic happen. Your conversation transforms into organized medical notes in real time. Step 3. Wrap up in seconds. Quick review, tap Submit, and you're done, before your patient leaves the room. What are you waiting? Download OrbVoice now.